Hey, you remember the lawyer who used ChatGPT to prepare a court filing for a personal injury lawsuit against an airline and ended up presenting all these fake cases to the court? They faced sanctions and were faulted for not reading a single case or checking assertions of law. This just goes to show you that as much as we can use AI to make our lives easier, we need to draw the line when we should use it and when we should not use it to help us as lawyers. But don't let this case scare you away from using AI entirely. When used responsibly, it is a powerful tool. AI should complement your expertise, not replace it. Use AI for initial research, drafting, or to help you spark ideas, but always, always, always verify the information it provides. Remember, AI's knowledge can be outdated or incomplete or might even hallucinate, especially in rapidly evolving areas of law. There are also ethical considerations. Who's the author when you use AI-generated content? How do you ensure client confidentiality? Bottom line is this: AI can free up your time for higher level tasks like strategy development and client relationships. But when you use AI, do it cautiously. Use it as a tool, not a crutch. After all, your judgment, expertise, and ethical compass are what sets you apart as a lawyer.